talking about Swirl in terms of security from that perspective, and if there is a big advantage, in fact, to not moving the data, as you were talking about.
Absolutely. The only thing you can put in Swirl is security information. So you can put in people's tokens, their authentication, of course, all under the control of the enterprise, all under the control of IT. It's always searching on behalf of some user, and it's always searching a system that's already there. So there's no concern that suddenly by extracting information, copying it out of many systems, will we accidentally expose salary information, internal information that should be kept private, critical management data or financials, especially as a public company. That could be a very serious matter. So lift and shift is dangerous, actually, and I think Swirl offers a 100% with the zero trust model, as it's called today, right? Don't trust anything unless we agree to it. Swirl follows that model completely.